Okay, good news is I'm finally back on the boat. It's 10th of March, so it's just been over a month, about just 5 weeks, I guess. Um, so I'm now going back through the checks, checking the lights, the nav lights, the systems, the instruments. So this is a picture of the chaos. It's actually a little bit less chaotic than when I started, when I got here the first thing. I've reprovisioned, fridge is full again, and now I'm just working on checking the instruments. So first thing is to switch on the fridge. The refrigerator is on. Next thing to do is to check steaming lights, and it doesn't come on with any other circuits, which is good news. I'll go and check the light. Okay, it's hard to tell, but the steaming light is on. It's good news. Now I'm checking the deck light. The spreader lights come on. Okay, running lights work. VHF radio comes on. The showers and thunderstorms. The weather works. All right, let's just leave that on for the minute. What's next? Oh, okay. I'm going to put back in the AIS, the Iridium, and test all the instruments. The Iridium Go is working with my phone, and I was able to call out and download the grids, so that's good. I'm testing the chart plotter AIS. It's good. I'll show you that in just a sec. However, the wind instrument itself showing velocity, but the angle is way off, so I'm going to have to calibrate that. So that's the chart plotter with AIS working. That is the wind instrument showing the velocity. However, the wind is more or less directly behind me, so that needs to be calibrated. That one still works. I can't test the autopilot at the moment, and depth is good. Speed log, I need to put the widget in for that. Oh yeah, and I discovered where the stop cable is, which is perhaps not ideal. That is out because I discovered when I was down below that it's wet, so there's a leak somewhere, and I think it's when they did the stop cable. Got to calibrate the wind instruments. I'm trying to download the manual so I know what to do on that. I've probably got a paper copy somewhere, and in the meantime I'm going to do the next thing. Oh, I've paid, by the way, which hurt. Yeah, I'm going to continue getting this mess behind me sorted out. I've upgraded the software on the chart plotter. Now I'm going to connect up to shore power so I can use my computer and download or renew my license on the map. And before I do that, I'm going to hook up my new phone to the stereo, so I have some music to work by. I'm going to leave the instruments on and leave the VHF on, leave the fridge on and stereo on. And now, okay, pulse audio should be in pairing mode. Now to do the phone, got to stop recording for this. Okay, making good progress. So I went ahead and calibrated the wind instrument approximately. We'll test the black water tank a bit later. Next task behind me, you can see, maybe you can't see, maybe you can see there, the light fittings are not correctly installed, so I'm going to install them and then test the interior lights. So it's a good shoulder workout, get these things back on, but that works. And this one also works if I get to it. There we go. Check the rest, and then I think I'll have a wee break. This is how they've left my bilge. Not very good. Yeah, that is all diesel in there. Okay, I'm going to go and check the oil. Not sure I can actually do this with
filming at the same time. That's interesting. Stop cable. That's a bit in the way. I've got the jib up. Went up okay, a little bit of faffing, but not too bad. Hoisted now, I've got to furl it. Jib and mainsail up. Officially a sailboat once again. Got the dinghy to inflate. And the other round, hoist turn. Might have to be before that. Alright, here is my new Achilles LSI 260 Airfloor Hypalon 2022 model inflatable dinghy. 8 foot 6 inches, which is just about the maximum I can fit on the front of the boat without blocking the anchor locker. Hopefully, we'll see when I get it on the boat. Stainless steel D-rings, really well connected, which my other one didn't have. Bow ring for inflatable airfloor, so much more rigid. My one didn't have. Inflatable keel. Oops, lift it up. I don't know if you can really see that, but inflatable keel there. Fiberglass encased marine plywood, which my other one didn't have, just had a little bit of paint on, which was already coming off. Aluminium engine board. Yeah, so that will be much sturdier. And those are the main things. Hypalon, obviously, which is much better in the fabric. It's okay, it's not resting on the wires because the transom sits on the hatches. Loads of room, wheelchair accessible.
So it is just 11:45 on the 11th, and I've just finished my list. A few surprises along the way. One, the bilge was full of diesel, so that took me a while to clean out, soak up. Now I've got to dispose of the rags and rubbish. But yeah, that is the list done. So high tide is actually at 3 o'clock something. I'm going to take a break now, have a spot of lunch, have a wee look at the chart, decide what to do on whether I've got time to head down to Manatee River and anchor down there tonight, or I just go to Gulfport, anchor there tonight. I kind of like the idea of Manatee River. Alright, oh yeah, I guess I've got to do the engine, run the engine for a while and check nothing bad happens. Okay, always nerve-wracking stuff. Getting off the dock on my own. A little windy. First attempt didn't quite work, but got a lull on the second attempt. I managed to get out more or less how I intended, and left all their lines on the dock, brought all the lines with me. Alright, so now just going out Manatee River, not Manatee River, Salt Creek, and we'll motor down. We'll see how I get. I might stick the sails up if we're feeling frisky, and heading to Manatee River. Should be about 5 hours. So one of the hazards of putting the sails up at night is I couldn't see above the spreaders, and at the top there the spinnaker halyard is trapped underneath and over the jib, so I'm going to have to lower the jib tonight to unravel it and then put the jib back up. But it's okay in the meantime. I've just had to loosen it off a little bit. You know, I think we'll see when it comes down to furling it, but I got it furled last night, so it should work. It's a beautiful day, absolutely gorgeous, not much wind, kind of gusting earlier. That's some peaks out the back. I'm going to have to put the motor on because particularly with just the jib and in this point of sail, it's going to take me all day and all night to get down there. But I'm just enjoying the peace and quiet for just a minute.